Hello FlutterFlow developers, hello friends, welcome to API Xflow YouTube channel. My name is Andrei and today we will talk about frequently asked question related to building applications with FlutterFlow, and especially if you generate some PDF documents, it is related to how to work with date time and how to format your date and times. So besides that, FlutterFlow itself contains some options for formatting date and time, and they're pretty useful, and I advise you to check also documentation for global properties, or it is called data representation, global properties in documentation. Also there is specific configuration related to date picker in FlutterFlow. Today we will speak about another case when you, for example, work with some generation of PDF document and you need to use some specific data format or some localized data format in API Xflow. So remember, API Xflow allows you to integrate dozens of services and to generate PDFs, which is one of the most used features at the moment. So I will create a new PDF project. I will call it date format demo, and we'll create it. So as you maybe already know, we have this lovely PDF editor, and we release pretty much new features almost every week. So now in PDF editor you can specify date time format functions, and there is some pretty interesting option I want to show today. So first of all, if you need only date, so I will have like date format, you can use this today date formatted option, and as you can see there is some some template used for every specific format, for every specific component. So we have months, days and years, and today is actually snippet or formula for current date. So if we insert this, save changes and click preview, we will see current date rendered in PDF document. Next, if we want, for example, current date and time, we have two options: 24 hours clock and 20 hours clock for with AM and PM label. So we can use this, and this will be current date and time. So we save, click preview, and we can see this current date and time. And next, if we have any custom field, we may want to format it into some specific format. So let's create a new field. So you can see we don't have here some let's say specific date time format, so we will format it just as a string, and we will call it date field, for example, date field, and this not user array, and we will specify here something like this. We'll save it. So now if we want to create formatted date, we will insert this date field. Now we will place our cursor here inside, and we will insert function for custom date field format. As you can see, it will look like this. So we can save it now, click preview, and as you can see, we will have format changed. I don't specify any hours, so our hours, minutes and seconds are zeros. So this is how it works. And now to integrate it into our FlutterFlow, we need just to publish our flow, and now we can integrate it easily into our FlutterFlow application. So we just download OpenAPI definition, then we go into our, let's copy authorization header, then we go into our application. I already created it, so this is very small application, and I will go to API calls. I click this import OpenAPI upload file. I select here my JSON with defined scheme. Here I add header. I already copied it. Just will paste it, save it, and as you can see, we have this generate PDF method, and we will have here date field and some result which will appear, and you can follow actually our guide about how to integrate the PDF generation result into your application. I advise you to check other guides in our channel and subscribe if you're looking forward to other updates. So here we can utilize data type. Just go to data types, they're here, and add new data type. I will name it PDF asset. I will paste JSON sample. As you can see, this will be result for generation. We have here some unique ID, link, name of the PDF, shared link, share it until it's shared. It's usually like a few days, or you also can have permanent link in usage, and you can specify password as well. If you want to protect PDF. Check our other videos. There is plenty of options. So I want to parse it to some data type. We have PDF asset now, and I need to save it. And now I can test my PDF generation. So I will use something like this. Let's say it will be 11:25, and we will run test API call, and as you can see, I received back some link I can use to open my PDF and see what it is generated already for us. I can open it, and as you can see, we have this data here, current moment, and my custom value. So now we want to integrate it with our button. You can go to actions, add action, it will be on top, and here we have our let's search for API call, and we will select API call generate PDF variables, and here we select date field, and we can specify any value. From here we can select current time, for example, and we can specify datetime format. We, for example, want to send it as any date format. For example, this date format will work, and that's all. So we have it. If it is succeed, let's name it PDF result. And now what we can do, for example, we want to save result and show some preview on our page. So we will add page state, but not parameters. So we need to add it here. Sorry. And now we can have here our string we will have it. Let's put initial sample here. And here we will use our page state PDF link. Okay. Next, we go to our button, to our action, and we will define state management, update page state, select field, and we want to set value, action output, PDF result, and as data type, data structure field, link. So this will be our reaction on successful generation. And now we can test our application. So let's see how it will work. So we can see our page is loaded, and now we can click that button and our PDF will appear with our data provided. So we can see here output for our PDF. And now if we go to API flow and we will change anything here we want to change. For example, we want different date time format, maybe only long months, and date is this one. We'll publish it and we'll just generate again, so you can see it changed. So it's very easy to manipulate data format inside your PDF using API Flow, and you can generate really beautiful looking PDFs like documents of every required format. If you're interested in PDF generation or other integrations, please check our other videos. Also, we have a lot of tutorials available for PDF generation, a lot of video tutorials available on our YouTube channel. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment your question, your requests. We're working every day to make API Flow even more useful for you, for developers, for our colleagues around the globe who create applications. And thank you for your attention, and I wish you a great day.